Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can run ads on TikTok in the UK. In order to do so, here we are at TikTok.com, but to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, running TikTok ads in the UK involves several steps from setting up an account to creating and launching your ads. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First off, go to the TikTok Ads Manager. Sign up using your email or phone number. Choose your country region as the United Kingdom. After logging in, click on Campaign and then Create. Choose your campaign objective based on your goal. Choose the ad placement, automatic placement, or manual. Target your audience by location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set your budget and schedule for your ad group. Upload your creative videos work best on TikTok. Add your ad copy and call to action. Preview your ad to ensure it looks good. And once everything is set, submit your ad for TikTok's review. The approval typically takes a few hours, but can vary. Use the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard to track ad performance, adjust targeting budget or creative based on results. Use short, engaging videos that fit TikTok's style, and consider using TikTok's native features like hashtags, challenges, and sounds, and make sure your ads comply with TikTok's ad policies. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is highly recommended.